Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel and welcome to our honeymoon villa here in Coron, Palawan. Hi guys! So we're going to have a breakfast as Miss Perry and Mrs. Perliano.
Shining bright like a shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through without cloud. And everything we search a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time, keep fighting. And even if you drift and fall, look down like that, still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming.
Solo namin to kasi walang guest yata pa sa ngayon. Po?
Kayo lang po.
Kayo lang kami ngayon, no? Pero may parating sa inyo mamaya. Yun, buti naman. Para naman makita nila to. Ganda, no? Initially dun kami ikakasal. Yan, dyan kami dapat ikakasal. Pero nagbago kami ng desisyon. Cause why not? Here's our breakfast. It's free, right? Just sa akin.
Hi guys! So we're going to have our first breakfast here in Westown Coron. So I'm having my pancake, my hot chocolate, corned beef with honey, and egg juice. And this is my view.
Wait lang, Han. Maglalakad-lakad lang ako para sa ating vlog. Hello, ate. So, in-inform nila kami na pwede kami mag-check out ng late. 2 PM na kami mag-check out instead of 12. Tapos meron silang resto dun sa taas. Yan, main road yan.
Part of me wants to stay forever. Part of me is afraid to get hurt. Love always made a mess of me. Broken heart got the best of me. But with you, I am high, I'm alive, and it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise. Ooh. And it feels like paradise. It feels like paradise. Ooh. And it feels like paradise. And it
Coron, Palawan.
Aray ko.
So yan guys, so first, yung kanilang hotel ay, this is located here in Coron, Palawan. So first, ang makikita natin is this long side table. No, it's not side table. It's a long table, parang buffet table. And then, they have the menu. So this is our luggage, dyan namin nilagay. Over here is their coffee table or their pantry table. And guys, hindi sila nagkamali sa pagkagay dito. They have their own coffee machine. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano ito gamitin. So, mamaya, I'll figure it out kung paano. So, yung brand is Cafe Infinito, Cafe Maestro. So, I don't know. So, you have your free brown sugar coffee. Meron silang for free na, ano nga
Alcohol yan.
alcohol face mask. Yan. At ito yung mga kinainan namin. I'm so sorry. Hindi kami dumating kagabi. So, over here, for sure, meron kaming our personal refrigerator. It's working. Over here, you have your extra space for everything. Yeah. On the other side, you have this window. I don't know kung ano to. Nothing. It's just some forest. Yeah. And here, on the bedside, we have our little table and chair. It's super nice. This is Ratan. We have our own cake, Mr. and Mrs. Because we are celebrating our wedding. Cheers! So, yan. And meron kaming aircon na split time. We have free towels. Guys, sobrang ganda ng design ng room na ito. And we have a very big window. Later na magpapakita. This is our big king size bed. On the left side, we have our telephone. Also, you have your own side light. Here is, you have all access to your lights, so you can control everything. Yan. Yan. And then this is your TV. And over here you have your mirror. And ito yung layer na namin, which is super magulo. Pakita namin sa inyo kung gano'n kagulo yung gamit namin. Yeah. And banda naman tayo sa kanila. Restroom and bathroom. So first, ito kanilang toilet. So this is their sink. So yan. So actually guys, so ito yung mga prices kung dadalhin yung kanilang mga towel, water bottle, soap, dish, dispenser, shampoo, coffee, whatever. Yan guys. So over here, they have their lotion. It's super babango. It's super mabango. So you have your soap, have your sanitary bag, your vanity kit, shower cup, your razor, your comb supply, and your toothbrush. So let's see kung maganda yung toothbrush kasi nakikita natin nakadepende.
Yeah, mas maganda yung toothbrush nila.
Cute! So ito yung toothbrush nila. So this one, itong mga to, you can bring them home naman. So your towel, this is their sink. Oh my god, nagsayang ako. Yeah. So over here, this is the mirror. And over here, guys, is their shower. The overhead shower, square type, which is super nice. So ito ang kanilang conditioning shampoo. And guys, we have our secret door. This is our secret door or pool. So let's go back. If you are staying here, guys, this will cost you 8,000 pesos plus per night.
Introductory price lang yun.
Yeah, this is introductory price per night, huh? So this is the
Main attraction.
main event, charon. Highlight of this villa. So here is their very nice highlight. I like this bag beans, and guys, the food is very amazing. Ano yung favorite mo? The kare-kare is very super
The
masarap.
best.
So yan guys, so tara, punta tayo sa
Ano yung
kanilang
must try?
breakfast. Ang must try dito guys is the kare-kare and the seafood. Seafood palabok. The seafood palabok is super great.
Anything you want to say, Han?
Hi guys, we're checking out. So we're moving to another hotel.